This is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Roblox profile picture. So you need to open Roblox player. Once you have opened that, you want to click on the avatar right over here and then go right over here. You want to click on this icon. So basically here you can change your pose, and also if you go to shop more you can change even more poses. And when you, for example, buy, let's say, so these shades are free. Now that I have added them, added them to my collection, as you can see, my profile picture has changed. So basically have to get an item you want to use, and that's pretty much it. And then the profile will change. So as you can see, I mean, this won't be visible since it's on my back, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.